Christopher. Today I'm breaking down something every creator wants to understand: how to monetize your YouTube videos. A lot of people think monetization is confusing or impossible, but it's actually a clear step by step process. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, what you need, and what happens once you finally get approved. Let's get into it. What monetization really means. Monetization is when YouTube allows you to earn real money from your videos. Once you're approved, YouTube starts placing ads on your content and you get paid based on views, watch time, and engagement. It's the moment where your creativity officially becomes a source of income. And trust me, that first dollar feels what monetization really means. Monetization is when YouTube allows you to earn real money from your videos. Once you're approved, YouTube starts placing ads on your content and you get paid based on views, watch time, and engagement. It's the moment where your creativity officially becomes a source of income. And trust me, that first dollar feels amazing. Meeting the requirements. Before you can turn on monetization, you have to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. There are two main ways to qualify. Path 1: long form videos. For this path, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of valid watch time in the last 12 months. And for shorts creators, you would still need 1,000 subscribers, but instead you would need 10 million valid shorts views in the not la, valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you hit one of these paths, you're officially eligible to apply. It takes time, but every upload gets you closer. Applying for monetization. Applying for monetization. When you meet the requirements, YouTube unlocks the Apply for Monetization button. You will need to agree to YouTube's terms, set up your AdSense account, and verify your identity. This part is simple. Just follow the steps on the screen. On the screen, on YouTube. After that, YouTube reviews your channel to make sure your content follows their rules. This review can take a few days or a few hours, but once you're approved, you're in. Turning on ads. After approval, if you get approved, you can turn on ads for each video. You can choose the types of ad you want: skippable ads, non skippable ads, mid roll ads, or banner ads. The more watch time your video have, the more ad opportunities you get. This is where your channel officially starts earning money. Watching your revenue grow. Once ads are running, your revenue starts building. At first, it might be small, a few cents or a few dollars, but it grows as your channel grows. Every view counts, every upload helps, and every new subscriber increases your earning potential. This is the moment where your hard work starts paying off, literally. Brand deals and extra income. Monetization is just the beginning. As your channel grows, brands might start noticing you. They might reach out for sponsorships, product reviews, and paid collaborations. Brand deals often pay more than ads, and they help you level up your creator career. This is where creators start earning some serious money. Going viral. Sometimes one video changes everything. A viral moment can bring in thousands of new subscribers, millions of views, and a huge spike in revenue. It can happen when you least expect it, and it can completely transform your channel. That's the power of YouTube. Creator Awards. As your channel grow, you unlock real trophies from YouTube. The silver play button at 100,000 subscribers, the gold play button at 1 million subscribers, and the diamond play button at 10 million subscribers. These awards celebrate your journey from your very first upload to becoming a recognized creator. They are proof that your hard work paid off. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what you want next. Should I make a video about how to grow faster or how to get your first 1,000 subscribers? Let me know and I'll make it happen. See you in our next video.